Today's gospel reading is seemingly non-controversial, and yet it's really quite amazing. Let me explain. So we see here in the beginning that the Jews are ready to stone Jesus, and he says, "Why are you trying to do that?" And they say it's because you are blaspheming. They're telling him, "You, a man, are making yourself God." And then Jesus gives them an answer that puzzles them. Is it not written in your law, I said, you are gods? That phrase, you are gods, occurs twice in the Old Testament. And it's a phrase that talks about how everyone, all of the chosen people, are sons and daughters of God. Jesus' point is that if all of the chosen people um, can be said, you are gods, then Jesus is saying, then why do you want to stone me if I call myself the Son of God? So, of course, we know that Jesus is the divine Son of God. But this gospel is also saying something very, very beautiful and very important about us as well. Jesus is saying that we too are gods in the sense that we are sons and daughters of God, like him. This is a great testament to human dignity, to the dignity of each and every one of us, that we are created, as we learn in the book of Genesis, we are created in the very image of God. I suggest that if you have the time today and the interest, that you read through and reflect on Psalm 8, which echoes the same sentiment that is contained in today's gospel. It talks about the great dignity that we have as sons and daughters of God.